forward contracting. So now here an interesting question. What kind of contract is most commonly traded in the OTC market? The answer is a forward. Today we are going to understand forward contract is simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you will know that forward contract is, why people use it, and what is its advantage and the risks. Let's start with a simple story. Imagine you are a owner of a bakery. Every month you buy wheat to make bread. Okay. Today wheat cost is 30 per kg. But you hear that heavy rain may damage crops, and experts expect wheat prices increase next month. You worried that that high price will increase your production cost. So you approach a farmer and make an agreement today. You agree to buy 1000 kg of wheat 1 month later at 30 per kilogram, no matter what the price is at that time. This agreement is called forward contract. So, what exactly is a forward contract is? A forward contract is a private agreement between two parties to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price on a specific future date. The important point is this: the price is decided today, but the actual exchange of the asset happen in the future. Now let's see what happened when the contract reached its delivery date. Suppose 1 month later the market price of the wheat rise to 40 per kilogram. Since your contract price is 30, you still buy the wheat at 30. You save 10 per kilogram and you benefit from that agreement. But imagine the opposite situation. Suppose the market price falls to 25 per kilogram. Even though wheat is available at the lowest price in the market, you are still legally required to buy it at 30 because that's what both agreement agreed early. In this case, the farmer benefit while you incur a higher cost. This show an important feature of forward contract. Both parties are obligated to fulfill the contract regardless of wheat price move up or down. Now let us understand that why business use forward contract. The biggest reason is to reduce uncertainty. Business doesn't like unpredictable cost. By fixing price in advance, companies can plan their expenses more accurately and avoid sudden price fluctuation. Forward contracts are widely used by exports, importers, farmers, manufacturers, airlines, and many other businesses. For example, an export expecting payment in US dollar may worry that the exchange rate will change before the payment is received. To avoid this risk, exporter enter into a forward contract with a bank to lock in today's exchange rate. No matter how the currency market moves late, the exporter already know the exchange rate that will apply. Now let's look at the advantage of forward contract. The biggest advantage is customized. Since the contract is negotiated directly between the two parties, they can decide the quantity, price, the delivery date, and also other terms according to their specific requirement. This flexibility makes forward contract very useful for business. However, they also have disadvantages because forward contracts are traded in the OTC market. There is no stock exchange guaranteed the transaction. So, if party fail to honor the agreement, the other party may suffer a financial loss. This is called counterparty risk. Another limitation is that forward contracts are generally less liquidity. Since each contract is customized, it is not easy to transfer or sell it to the someone else before the expiry date. Let's quickly end this. The forward contract is a private agreement between two parties to buy or sell an asset. At the price fixed today for the delivery on the future date, it is traded in the OTC market. Offers flexibility and customize. Help business manage price risk, but also carry counterparty risk because there is no exchange guaranteeing the contract. I hope you will understand the concepts.